Good morning. We got the kids dropped off. We got some stuff dropped off for my sister-in-law. Run to the gas station, grab some fuel, and top my pickup off. And then yeah, we're gonna do a little cleanup in our version of Rusty Acres, which is 2 vehicles that I have sitting in my mom's pasture. All right, we're gonna get some fuel. I'll see y'all at the pasture. All right, I'm gonna set you up right here. Do a little time-lapse mowing. Everybody loves time-lapse mowing. It's just how grass is gone. Everybody loves it. Then once we get that done, we're gonna move the truck that you'll be sitting on and the Camaro on the trailer, plus my brother's 2 trailers. And odds and ends, we're gonna get everything cleaned up as best we can. Hopefully we get all that done before it's time to go to lunch with my buddy. Maybe he'll even let me show you his square body. Let's get to work. Got a pretty good bit done. Still got to mow where the Camaro and the truck were sitting. All that super tall stuff because I hadn't done it recently enough. I'm gonna run out of time before lunch, so I'm gonna knock where the Camaro is. We'll back you back in and then call it a day. That's all we can do for now. I got large plans with a buddy of mine. He actually has a square body. Maybe he'll let us see it. Got the keys to the work truck. And we'll come back to this project here shortly. All right, let's clean up out from underneath this truck. That old Bluetooth four-wheel drive just don't get it done, does it? I'm gonna grab these front fenders so we can clean them up, see what they look like. Sure would be nice to have a backup camera like this in one of them old trucks. Makes life super simple.
I'm mainly using
Got a little
water.
slave labor out here on the front fenders. All right, so this thing says wash and dry car. First on an inconspicuous area, front fender, surely. I think I'm gonna move y'all to over here. Whoa, you're falling down. Get your sea legs. Come on now. All right, this spot's pretty rough, and it's only be on the bottom side, so maybe nobody will notice it. Pretty sure the instructions said just put a lot and start scrubbing. Oh yeah, that is taking some stuff off right there. I don't know how much of the car is going to be left when we get done, but I feel like I'm back in the Navy, shining shoes. Oh man, that actually did really well. I mean, can you see that line there? Dull shiny, dull shiny. All right, let's do a little bit more. See what else we can get. We're definitely gonna have to find another set of these Western Hauler badges, because we only have the one, but that definitely has to come back on. I mean, look how nice this paint came out. That is great. And then on the side, not so great. Pretty dang nice. You know, not so great. So, that's where we're at. We got our fenders off the bed of the truck, sprayed down, cleaned up. I mean, I am digging this colors paint scheme. I don't know how bad the truck's gonna be. I don't know. I mean, here's a view. This is done, and then this is not. See how much duller it is on this side compared to this side. So I think at least the fenders are gonna come around. I just recorded this whole outro with my AC running in here, so I'm sure it sounded terrible. So here's where we're at. I did finish the first fender. It is looking very nice. This is what it would look like if it was undone. It's just much more dull. Doesn't have the brightness, and then of course down here towards the bottom you can really see a lot of staining in the white. Has a lot of staining in the blue. We gutted the T-top headliner on the Camaro, and it is looking very nice now. It's a Hawk Motorsports kit coming with the cell panels on both sides, and then both the sun visors, and of course the T-top kit. So that is where we're at right now. The eclipse happened today. I don't know if y'all were in the area for that, but that was pretty neat. I'll put a picture in right here. It was very unusual. We had a good time. My daughter and my wife rode the Camaro out to a buddy of mine's house, and we met over there, watched the eclipse. I went back to work. Then a giant storm hit. All that was pretty interesting. But that's it for this one. So do you want to see more on the Camaro? We got paint we have to figure out. We got wheels and tires to figure out. We have climate control, air conditioning and heat to figure out. Do you want to see some more stuff on the 4-wheel drive LS swapped square? Old Gaddis, it still needs the cam changed in it. It's got a couple leaks on the transmission. Well, one leak on the transmission, one leak on the transfer case, and then it has a newly developed leak probably on the rear main. So we have all that to deal with. Or should we continue cleaning up this big 4-door Western hauler? I think it's gonna look killer whenever we get it all together. So let me know. It's a pick your own adventure day, so if y'all comment down below what you want to see, we can take that advice with a grain of salt, and I'm still gonna do what I want to, unless of course y'all comment a whole bunch about my buddy's drag truck. Here, I'll show y'all a picture of it. It is a clearly purpose-built truck for the track. I want to say it's got like 4-link in the rear. It's got a big block. It blows nitrous. I think he has a couple of odds and ends to fix on it, and then we could take that thing right back to the track. So if you want to see some stuff like that, lots of comments, and we could definitely do that. But that's it. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.